Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you Elliott Wave analysis on cryptos. Elliott Wave is pure technical analysis. Two things drive the crypto markets: fundamentals and the technical. But technical has an edge over fundamentals because why? Before the news is out, those who know technical have taken positions. Okay, so now it's been long Bitcoin refused to go up after this drop. After this drop, Bitcoin, we expect Bitcoin to go up. Okay, it's been a long time, but now there's something careful, making a careful look at the structure of Bitcoin. I see something. The only reasonable something I see on Bitcoin now is what I'm going to explain to you. And after that, that might be the only coin I will look into, because as long as coin is concerned, it is in my language. I'm an Igbo man, a Biafran, an Igbo Biafran. So simply means just trying to explain that Bitcoin that goes with other coins. When Bitcoin is going up, other coins will be going up. When Bitcoin is going down, other coins will be going down. Though sometimes we have some exceptions, but they are not so significant. So now those who know technical analysis, there's what we call an ending diagonal in wave count. And the ending diagonal always occur at wave 5. Now, this is the shape of ending diagonal. It looks like triangle, okay? So that's the only reasonable thing I see about coin, because Bitcoin is trying to, we are, the fifth wave is much overdue. So maybe we may not go much below wave 3. Remember, I said that before we say grass, we will likely see a new low from this level on Bitcoin, but on Ethereum, we may not see a new low. If you remember previous analysis, that's my comment. So now the new low may not be much. So let me go down to business to explain to you what I mean by ending diagonal. Maybe let me give you a free lesson today for those who are interested. Remember, if this is the first time you're watching my video, subscribe, like, share with your friends. And if you want to learn how to analyze market technically, just DM me. My links are below the description of this video. My Telegram links, they are free. 2 Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel. My personal number is there. You contact me. If you need money, I add you to my students channel. If you also join my Telegram channel for free, from time to time I share free updates, trade setups, and forecast. So now let's go to 4 hours. That's why we see what we are looking for very clearly. Now this is 4 hours. Remember last week I said that coin will be dropping if it breaks this channel. The channel is broken. So now let me remove this. It has served its purpose. Now let's zoom the chart. Let me tell you what I mean by ending diagonal. So now this is the end of, let me see the chart. This is the end of the 4th wave. This is end of the wave 4. And after wave 4 is wave 5. After wave 5 is the end of a structure. So the shape of what's happening here is what we call ending diagonal. Okay, this is wave 1, which most of the time will be the longest of the entire wave. This is wave 2. This is wave 3. And this is a perfect example of wave 4. Even if the wave 4 goes up to make another another structure inside the structure of any diagonal. If you just do this, come to this level before going down. But I'm not expecting it to happen. But even if it happens, that is, even if you see Bitcoin going to 20,000 or above, don't be deceived. It will still come down. Now, this is what I am looking for. What I am expected to see: a correction and a drop to end the fifth wave. So wave one is complete, wave two complete, wave three complete, wave four either have completed, but wave four have completed. So wave five can decide to make another structure inside the fifth wave. But what I'm telling you today is that Bitcoin, we are getting towards the end of the whole delay moving. Okay, so the much awaited bullish move might take many by surprise, but definitely not me, because why? From time to time, from day to day, I keep watching wave structure to know when to prepare for going long. So now we might see Bitcoin make a little move up, then drop sharply. You know, when coin is moving very sharp, people who don't know structure, we just think that the bullish market is back. No, we tell you when bullish market is back. Okay, so now expect another drop. To me, I would be surprised. You might be surprised. But me, I would be surprised. So now, where will it end? Definitely, it will end below 18,000. It will end even below 17,000. We can even see 16,500. If the price drop to 16,000 or 16,500, it will return very sharp. You see it drop sharp and go back very sharp. I know what I am saying. So having explained this, know it that bullish market is around the corner. So now let's go down to 1 hour to give you more explanation. So 1 hour charts, this is what made me go back to look for structure, because when this happened, I was expecting to see this, a kind of this type of move, and price goes up again. Rather, it's going up very sharp. You know, had it been it make this type of correction, I will just name this wave one, wave two, and I begin to see it go higher. But it's making a sharp move down. Then I begin to check to know what it's trying to make. So now I can conclude it is making an ABC down to complete a big three wave down to finish wave five, as I show you on 4 hours. So get ready for another drop, and maybe the last drop of Bitcoin. So that's what I want to explain to you. I won't be going to Ethereum and the rest, because they always follow Bitcoin. I didn't bother to check whether Ethereum is also making any diagonal. Whether it is whatever structure it is making, it will always correspond with the price of Bitcoin. It seems it's even making the any diagonal, but I haven't checked it. So checking it is just wasting more time, because when Bitcoin begins to go up, all will begin to go up. Okay, maybe Ethereum might have made its own last drop. I don't know, but all I know is that when Bitcoin begins to go up, all the coins will follow Bitcoin. They have no choice than to follow Bitcoin. Okay, so that's all I want to. That's all about coin. My focus is on Bitcoin, and I suppose there will be also your focus. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.